Yok mu kabahat?
Harvard Neuroscience. E? Harvard Neuroscience.
Het lab op
Treasury and
wat,
Harvard have partnered to support healthcare professionals who work with individuals possessing unique abilities.
Define. Jane Doe, 636. 5 years ago. Skull fracture, jaw, ribs, left arm broken. Extensive facial injuries as a result of an auto accident. Delirious. In and out of consciousness when she arrived. Said something about being attacked by somebody. Prior to reconstructive surgery, she was exposed to neurorehabilitation strategies I designed to treat individuals with extensive brain trauma.
How extensive?
Nearly total loss of memory. Had played top boards in college. If Jane ever played, she didn't remember how.
That's 3 days later.
Acquired savant syndrome. So aware some neurologists now it exists.
But you don't.
Victims of blunt force trauma can, on extremely rare occasions, exhibit extraordinary outcomes. A woman who's never played piano, fractures her skull in the fall, masters Rachmaninoff in a day. The baseball fan takes in a 90-mile-per-hour foul ball to the head and wakes to discover he can learn a foreign language in an afternoon.
How is that possible?
Their brains, for lack of a better word, are rewired, unlocking hidden abilities that at least theoretically we all possess.
And Jane's talent was chess.
No, not exactly. The brain injury Jane suffered lit up her frontal and parietal cortex. Those areas responsible for pattern recognition, problem solving, critical thinking, the same areas of the brain chess masters rely on. Caveat is their abilities start and stop with chess. In Jane Doe, they didn't. Acquired savant syndrome